Hey folks, 828 Fine Adventure. I'm going to paint this big pipe that's coming out of the back of the Tacoma. I have sanded it down with a block. I have cleaned it with 90% alcohol. And this is all you need to do that is a sanding block, some alcohol, and a microfiber wipe. And you can clean this up. And next thing I'm going to do is tape it off and so I don't get spray everywhere, and paint it matte black with a high heat paint. Let me show you that. This is what I use when I paint. I don't know if you can see that. Let me show you here. There you go. This is what I use. It's a high heat Rust-Oleum, and it seems to stick pretty well. So right now we're gonna tape it off with this right here, and tape off as much as we can. Okay, folks, the real reason I painted the tailpipe is because it looked like crap being all silver and sticking out. Is I got a Toyota tailpipe tip in black chrome, and I'm going to show you how to install these. These are really the only ones that fit the Toyota exhaust unless you cut this off. You can go the cheaper route if you want, but nothing beats a Toyota product and the way they put them on. Number one, they're thinking of safety, and it also, if you get in a wreck, they don't want it coming off. So basically, what you have here is this giant black chrome tailpipe. I mean, it's big. I can stick my fist in there. So let's see. So this will go over like that. And then you've got these shims. These shims go in back here, one on the top, one on the bottom there. Let's make sure they're in there properly. Now this, as you can tell, it's got a slant. This thing sure does look good. So let's, and I like it being, let's see here. I'm gonna try to get this just right. Okay. So we got it all tightened up. Now I'm gonna hit it with some paint because it's silver. It's got a silver rim from those shims around it. So let's just hit those. Here we go. We'll let that dry, and we'll be good to go. You can see where I taped everything off. I've got it painted. So it's gonna look good when it's done. It's just, a few extra steps, but it's gonna look good. I didn't want to get any overspray on the paint, but you can see it there. Yeah, it's gonna look good when it dries. All right, let's get all this off. Okay, well, let's take a look at it. Well, there we go. It looks good. I'm not going to be looking at any more of that silver pipe out the back. That looks really good. You can probably see it a little from the side, but that's okay. It's just the way it is. But, probably could have rattle canned the whole muffler and everything. That's just, for a resonator, it just looks like crap sitting back there. I don't know what they were thinking, but I guess it does something with noise, maybe causes some back pressure, which helps with performance. But there you go. Okay, guys, I hope you liked my little video of the rattle can, the exhaust pipe, and put a new Toyota exhaust tip on there, they're just really nice. And I'm going to clean this up in a minute. It's got fingerprints all over it. But that's what you have. But that's what I did today. Put this tip on here. If you would, like, share, subscribe so you see some more videos on the Tacoma and the 25 4Runner. They have a lot of similarities and a lot of things that kind of switch back and forth. These Toyota exhaust tips are by far the nicest I've seen. So, if you would, leave some comments. Let me know what you've done to your Tacoma, and I'll respond to your comments. So, do that, please, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see you.